Hey everyone, it's me, Sarah T, and today we're talking about increasing productivity with Seklema Mats. Seklema Mats are 16-inch double-sided table mats made for laser and rotary engraving machines, UV printers, or any application requiring non-clamping hold down of materials. It has a layer on each side that almost feels like a gummy bear that helps holding down objects and keeps the mat from shifting in your machine. We offer Seklema Mats in a variety of sizes. They are also easy to cut to match the table size of any machine you want to use them with. Here at JDS, we have multiple sizes and uses for these handy accessories. Come check them out. Over here at our lasers, we have a variety of mat sizes from quarter sheets for easy swapping of leatherette sheets to smaller squares for our smaller laser bed, which allows for quick, secure placement of one-off items. Here we have a 24 by 24 piece to create a flat bed instead of the honeycomb bed in this laser, making something like adding borders to multiple perpetual plates at one time a breeze. We have dialed in settings to cut through the material and not through the Seklema mat, because repeated scoring of the laser at too much power can eventually lead to your mat coming apart. So your vector settings may need to be slightly adjusted. Over here at the Rotary engraver, the same things apply. The mat keeps the Duet's plastic in place as the bit makes its engraving. No need for tape, magnets, or other adhesives. Here I'm engraving an ADA sign, a simple peel of the mat and spray of air, and I'm ready to go. Last but not least in the fabrication department are UV printers. One of the things the Seklema Mat helps with during printing is product placement. As you can see, you can print the template of the item or simple rectangles for easy and secure placement. It's sticky enough to hold down, but not too sticky to bend thin items such as metal when removed. You can get plenty of different project templates on a single mat before having to clean. When you're ready to restore the stickiness of your mat, use a simple cleaner such as LA Awesome or some soap and water. Thanks for sticking around. Remember, whether you're laser focused on your craft or just trying to hold it together, these mats are here to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. If you have any questions, give us a call at the number below or visit us online. Thanks for watching.